Good morning friends, myself Niranjan. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 8th April. Friends, today in our regular GK series Today in History, we shall look at some of the important events happened on 8th April in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. So let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian freedom fighter was hanged by the British on this day in 1857 for protesting against the East India Company that resulted in the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857? Answer. Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey protested against the greased cartridges for the rifle Enfield provided to the Sepoys that required to tear open with mouth for loading the rifle, and many Sepoys believed that cartridges were greased with cow and pig fat, which was offense to Hindu and Muslim Sepoys. This protest sparked the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857, which is treated as First War of Independence. Question number 2. Which Indian revolutionaries threw bombs at Central Assembly Delhi on this day in 1929? Answer. Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Datta. Question number 3. Which Indian poet and novelist died on this day in 1894? Was the composer of national song Vande Mataram, which was taken from his novel Anandamath and first sung by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. Answer. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 4. Which Indian classical singer born on this day in 1924, known for his unique vocal style, who is named after the musical exponents in the court of gods in mythology, and a foundation is also run in his honor to promote the development of Hindustani and Carnatic music? Answer. Kumar Gandharva. And the musical exponents in the court of gods in mythology were Gandharvas. Question number 5. Which singer, director and composer born on this day in 1979, who debuted as a composer in 2008 film Amir and got National Film Award for the Best Music Direction in 2010? Answer. Amit Trivedi. Question number 6. Which pact was signed between India and Pakistan to guarantee for the protection of rights of minorities in both the countries and to avert war between them? Answer. Nehru-Liaquat Pact. This pact was signed by India's Prime Minister Nehru and Pakistan's Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. Question number 7. Which Greek statue was discovered on the volcanic island of Milos in Aegean Sea on this day in 1820? Answer. Venus de Milo. Question number 8. For the creation of which programming language a group of computer engineers met for a discussion on this day in 1959? Answer. COBOL. Full form of COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. Friends, thanks for viewing the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.